Hello my people, welcome to Mama Africa's Kitchen again. Guys, I want to take this opportunity to thank all of you guys for supporting me. We have reached a milestone, 2,000 subscribers, guys. Let's keep it up, guys. Thank you so much. So today I'm going to show you how to make sausage and vegetables. So here are my ingredients, guys. I have bell pepper, orange, red, and green. And here is my onions and garlic together, carrots and potatoes, and this is ginger powder, chili powder, black pepper, and olive oil. So let's start this, guys. Let's start it. Let's preheat my air fryer for a little bit. So we are going to cook them on an air fryer, guys. So I already preheated my air fryer for 5 minutes, guys. So we'll start with our veggies. So this is my chili powder, just a little bit to give it a kick. Not too spicy. Just a little bit. And here is the ginger, my ginger powder. Then my black pepper. I want to keep it simple because I have sausage, Italian sausage. So Italian sausage has a lot of spices. It's very spicy, very yummy. That's why I'm not going to put a lot of spices. So we'll do just a little bit of black pepper, guys. Then we'll put our olive oil. Then mix everything together. It smells so good already. Then do olive oil. Then I'm going to add my onions and garlic. My bell pepper. So I'm gonna put it at 390. 20 minutes, 390, but we'll keep checking and let you know how long it takes, guys. Let's put our vegetable first. So guys, I'm gonna let vegetable go for at least 10 minutes, then I'll add my sausages. Hello guys, a little bit over 10 minutes. So now we are going to add our sausages. That's it. Wait for the sausages to fully cooked. So it's on. done, guys. It took me 40 minutes to be exact because I like my meat fully cooked, guys. I don't know about you guys, but I don't want salmonella. So it took 40 minutes. 40 minutes to fully cooked. The vegetables are cooked. Our sausages are cooked. Because I let my vegetable cook for at least 10 minutes before I add my sausages. So everything is fully cooked, guys. No salmonella. You can't play with meat. Meat has to be fully cooked. So look at this, guys. Look how pretty. Look how pretty, guys. And it's yummy, and the smell. I'm ready for it. I'm ready. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Bye now. Bye bye. It's beautiful.